but I'm gonna make ginger tea, so you need sugar and 2 spoons of tea powder. Add 1 cup of water. And then add 1 cup of milk. Then you need to have 1-inch ginger, just slice. Then take a dish and then add the water. Turn on the flame. Then add tea powder. Then add sugar. Then take the 1-inch ginger and then crush it and add it to the water. Then bring the bowl to boil for 4 minutes. Then stir it with a spoon. Then add milk. Then the color will change into chocolate milk. And then boil it and let it boil for 2 minutes and it reach to the surface, and then stir it to make the surface go down again. That's all. Then take the dish and then take a filter coffee and then pour into 2 cups. And once you're done filling the last cup, you can enjoy it with your parents and family. And then take every bit, and then take your spoon and then take the junk and then push it down to take out the leftover juice. Now you can relax. And goodbye. And make sure that smack that bell icon and hit that subscribe button and turn that. And also, if you go to that thumbs up button and if you click it, and it will become blue. And what's